just enjoy yourself. Life now once. They know they do life 2 times. I really appreciate your move. If you want, this your good friend. This girl, bless this girl self. I heard correct well. Me, Jojoflele. As now they prepare, they go enjoy themselves. Go just do vacation. As it's supposed to be. If money don't hand, me not go enjoy now. So na vacation they go so. But me, I tell them, I say, yes, Untouchable won't come. But I believe saying Untouchable won't go meet. I believe saying Untouchable won't go meet. And I thank God for video and went to do with him, make at least to calm this girl mind down small. Make no like say we just waiting there they do. So see the moment when Untouchable girl that with Jojoflele, they go arrange themselves. Vacation is very necessary, my girl. Vacation is very necessary. I will drop the video when you see as they go enjoy themselves. That's what it's supposed to be. So happy vacation day, Precious and Jojoflele. All right, enjoy yourself, enjoy your day. We're going to continue to give and strengthen more and more. Provide for now and make everything they work out. No man. I say, the man of God, I have to pray for now. That's what it's supposed to be. You know, pay me for prayer point to God I believe in now. Not only would they watch, so make them see the update.
So guys, because I was depressed, Precious decided to take me out for vacation. Yes, so guys, we are traveling out. Yeah. Out of Lagos. Yeah. Out of vacation. Yeah. Out of the country. Period. Can your friend ever? Never.
I'm crying because I've worked so hard for my brand. Like I've worked so hard for my brand, for somebody from nowhere to take the glory. Like I've worked so hard. People that know me, they know. I know they rest. If I know they shoot Facebook and they shoot Instagram, if I know they shoot Instagram and they shoot TikTok, like I'm always shooting. I know they rest. They from nowhere. People want to tag my glory to somebody else. Like, you want to give my glory to Nedu. Like, I mean, Nedu of all people. Somebody that has not contributed anything in my life. Somebody that has not helped me before. Somebody that has not helped me. Have you ever seen Nedu post me on his story or post me on his page? Have you ever seen him post me? I've only done 2 skits with Nedu. 2 skits all my life. 2 skits. 2 skits. Now the only skit I don't do with Nedu for my life. It was even 1. The second one was I started working with Lucas. I started working with one guy, Lucas, and it's the Lucas boy that used to shoot for Nedu. Then I followed the Lucas boy. When I followed him, the person they supposed shoot for them no call. Lucas can't say make I shoot her. From nowhere, people are tagging my glory to Nedu. Very dark man. I've never offended you before. Like I used to be your fan.